we're just going to keep showing up. Let's start walking. We got a 10-minute low impact cardio workout today. We're just moving our bodies because movement is a pleasure, not a punishment. We're going to celebrate the joy of movement. We're going to boost our mood, elevate our energy every single day. And over this next 28 days, we are going to build strength, mobility, flexibility, endurance, and so much more. Let's get started. We're just going to step and twist. The focus of the next 28 days will be just to find movement that we enjoy, that keeps us excited about moving our bodies, so we continue to show up, build consistency and discipline around physical activity. Because we've overcomplicated fitness and made it inaccessible to so many, these exercises, these workouts, they're for everybody. You slow down when you need to. You always modify when you need to. But always come back to just a walk. Stay active for the entire 10 minutes. Each session will be around 10 minutes long. The goal is to encourage more physical activity throughout the day. Go for an evening walk. Find ways to move. Take the stairs. Take the furthest parking spot away from the entrance. Anything just to move more. Okay. Step jack. Really reach that leg out. We're going to build some flexibility within each workout as well. Bring moments of mindfulness and stillness at the end. And really, just want to be happy. Movement should be joyful. And if it's not yet for you, keep showing up every day. And I assure you that'll change. I believe movement is the foundation of our health. When we move more, we make better food choices. We build our self-esteem. We actually physically tire out the body so that we can sleep better. When I'm feeling good about myself after workout, I deepen and build better relationships. I have more patience with the ones I love. So let's just move together for the next 28 days. See what happens. Okay, shake that out. Let's move a little side shuffle. And up with the knee. These lateral movements are great. Working on different muscles that we normally wouldn't when we're just walking forward. I'll be going barefoot often, I believe. Natural movement, functional fitness. When we're barefoot, we're strengthening stabilizer muscles in our feet that don't get use when we encase them in shoes. Just real natural movement. Let's take a holistic approach to our well-being. Holistic with a W, the whole. Movement, mindset, eating good, nourishing foods, having a purpose. How about the purpose for the next 20 days is getting up in the morning, doing a nice low impact, mood boosting workout with me. Endorphins engaged. This will happen every day. Boost the mood. Yeah, if that's all it does. Brilliant. Okay. Shake, shake, shake. Shake. We're going to slowly squat and punch. So I'm just going to, and again, wherever you're at, that's good. Modify everything. Building great strength in the arms, continuing to keep the heart rate up. And if you need to slow it down, as always, slow it down. Yeah. And last one. Right there, I just slow it down. I could feel that really in the shoulder. So let's just give ourselves a bit of a hug. Keep moving lower body. We can take that laterally too. We just want to keep the heart rate up. Slowly but surely, we're going to build incredible cardiovascular endurance over the next 28 days. Any extra movement you can take on today? Oh yeah, you go for it. Okay. The thing that gets me the most excited, joy, is a nice skip march. And this could be maybe like this for you. You're just getting started in your journey, wherever you're at. But the skip, you can just be stationary, of course, or, right, this is a joyful movement. We can just go all around our area, having some fun. We can twist a little bit more. Yeah, come on, that feels good. Let's go. 3, 2, and 1. Yeah, well done. This is all about creating momentum. I'm gonna reach back. See if we can't get those heels right to the butt. Or maybe we just get them off the ground. This is where we are. You're moving. That's what matters. You're showing up for yourself. Oh yeah. This week is going to be about showing up. Getting that consistency, discipline, building the habit of daily movement locked in. That's what we're going to comment today. Showed up. Let's inspire others to join this community and get moving. So when we finish, we're going to comment. Showed up today. Yeah. Maybe you can step out a little bit further. Yeah. All right. And good. Lovely. Okay. Let's work the lower back a bit. Bend one side, reach up. Always connect to the breath. As high as you can, reach up. This is where my shoulders don't allow for a huge reach up. That's okay. I can accept where I am, modify when I need to. You do the same. Bend with the knees, reach over to the side and up. Couple more. Nice one. Okay. We're going with one leg at a time. My arms are up. Drive that knee. Yeah. Beautiful. Come on. 2 more. Other side. Building balance, strength, cardio. We're going to do it all in every workout. Mostly, we're going to be joyful. Yeah. Oh, because movement is awesome. 2 more. Nice. Shake it out. Let's just slow it down. Swing the arms. Hey, that's not bad. Just walk it out. As we cool down. Well done. Remember, show it up in the comment section. Share your progress. Inspire others. Reach out to me anytime. Let's just take one moment. Focus on your breath. Let's just take a few really conscious breaths. The ability to pay attention, focus, just makes us better at everything we do. One breath. Make all the difference between reacting and responding. Often we overreact instead of responding with thoughtfulness, with grace. Just breathe in and out. One more. Breathe in and out. We did it. Day 1 of our new challenge. You continue to show up. That's what matters. Show up for yourself. Inspire others. Well done. Showed up. See you tomorrow.